Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to show a lot of strength for us to continue gearing up, and we are just about to break above the neckline out of this chart pattern that I have over here, which is a double bottom, having our common bottom at around the $0.02742 mark, and our neckline at around the $0.03212 mark. And this is a chart pattern that normally breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I was able to get that height and placed it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.037 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side to do. And also, given that today is the 15th of May, and this is the day that we are expecting the transition from Gala Games V1 to Gala Games V2, there are high chances that later in the day we are going to experience a lot of volatility. And in case the volatility is positive to the market, then we are finally going to see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and that is what I'm going to use to give you my next targets here on the Gala Games chart on the long-term point of view, where I believe that we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2, which has now fully maximized its minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And all this is playing out after seeing a 5-wave structure to the upper side, and that was after seeing our low on the 30th of Dec in 2022, where we saw that 5-wave structure giving us a peak at around the $0.06287 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that's how I was able to come up with the minimum retracement area for this second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.03934 mark and the $0.0258 mark, which is the area highlighted on the charts using that blue target area. And I now believe that since we have fully maximized that blue target area in the formation of that wave 2, Gala Games is now ready for that massive pump in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.10408 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3 on the long-term point of view. And on the short-term scenarios, I have my first target areas for my trades at around the $0.037 mark, because there are high chances that once volatility kicks in into the market and we see the breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, we are going to fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.037 mark. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term point of view. Also, taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 58 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also, taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.